Double entry accounting, where you have a debit and you have a credit, is the foundation of modern bookkeeping. It's a system where every financial transaction is recorded to two different accounts. One side, as I said before, is a debit, the other side is a credit. A debit is on the left side of an account, a credit is on the right side of an account. It's a balancing act between debits and credits. That is the fundamental concept of bookkeeping. So let's go level down with debits and credits. What type of an account is a debit? What type of an account is a credit? What do debits and credits do to those accounts? Well, there's going to be certain accounts that are going to have a natural sign that's a debit, and there's going to be certain accounts that have a natural sign that is a credit. Natural debit balances are going to be your assets and going to be your expenses. Your accounts that are going to have a natural sign of a credit will be revenue, liabilities, and equity. They're naturally going to be a credit balance. When looking at debits and credits, when you have a naturally debit account, when you have an account that's a natural debit, when you debit that transaction, it will increase it, and vice versa. If you have an account that's naturally a credit balance, when you credit that account, it's going to increase it. And the opposite holds true as well. If you debit a naturally credit balance, like a liability or equity, you're going to reduce those balances. And if you have an asset or expenses that is a natural debit balance, if you credit those type of accounts, you're going to lower the amount that is in that account. So tying this back into the chart of accounts, you really need to know when you're setting up an account, what type of account is it? Is it an asset? Is it a liability? And is its natural sign a credit balance, or is this natural sign a debit balance? This is a critical piece of information to know before you're setting up any general ledger account. So what do all these different debits, credits, accounts do? Well, they feed into financial statements. Your debit accounts, expenses, they're going to feed into the income statement. Revenue, which is a credit account, will also feed into the income statement. This is going to be revenue minus expenses to get to your net income. Your other debit account is assets. That is going to be found on the balance sheet. And then you got two more credit accounts that we've talked about. They're also going to be on the balance sheet, liabilities and equity. Now, your assets equals your liabilities and equity. It's a balancing equation. If you'll notice, the debits have to equal the credits. Your debit balance are assets, and your credit balances are liabilities and equity.